Dwi lawr ym Mharadwys y Sioe a dwi wedi ffindio gwyneb cyfarwydd I unrhyw arddwr sy allan 'na. Mae o'n feirniad anrydeddus, mae o 'di bod yn cystadlu ennill yn Chelsea, cyflwynydd ar y Gardener's World ar y BBC. Adam Frost, welcome to Garddwriaeth.
Thank you, mate.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
And I heard it's your first time at the show.
It is. It's amazing. It really is.
Where have you been till now?
I know. And probably in another field, doing something somewhere else, you know.
You're a busy man. You're judging all over the country, all over the world, I expect.
Yeah, lots of, this time of year, lots of shows, lots of filming. But I'll let you into a little secret.
Go on,
I don't normally judge.
No?
So I feel like I've been slightly... Rob from Pheasant Acre, who's down there, who's a friend from, you know, from Chelsea for years. He's been going to Chelsea Flower Show. He messaged me and said, oh, we're trying to build the horticultural bit. You know, would you come and play your part? Yeah, no problem, Rob. Yeah, just come and do a few talks.
Yeah.
And then my itinerary arrives. Be on site at 7:30 in the morning because you're judging the micro gardens and you're doing the kids' wheelbarrows. And at that point, I didn't have the heart to say, I don't really want to do it.
But you're here, and how did it go? Were they worth the hassle for you?
They were. You know, I mean, the scary bit was you don't want to judge the kids' wheelbarrows.
No.
Because the problem is you want to be honest, but you want to give them all the first prize, but you know you can't give them all the first prize. Lucky enough, they're not going to find out until Thursday.
And you'll be long gone.
I'll be gone. So,
chicken.
Yeah, exactly. But they're great, mate. They're really, they're good. And I think for people, you know, to come here and look at the gardening that's going on, they're full of ideas.
Yeah.
They're full of ideas.
And like you mentioned beforehand when we had a chat about the link between what you eat and how you grow it is so important that the kids get to learn, isn't it?
Yeah, I said earlier when I was asked the question about how do you get more, you know, youngsters into horticulture, you know, into gardening, I just said, I wish every single kid, you know, had to learn to grow their own food. You know, at school. And all right, even if they become teenagers, drift away from it a little bit, they'll come back to it, or they'll know that actually it takes a lot of work to grow your own food.
And they won't waste nothing on the plate either.
Exactly.
They've slaved to get it on the plate.
Exactly, that's right. No.
So have you finished judging for the day now?
That's it, yeah. I've got a couple more talks, and then I can go home before they give the rest of the awards out.
How much Welsh have you picked up?
Dinner.
Dinner, cinio.
Yeah.
And cwrw.
Cwrw, that's a pint, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, you can have a half a cwrw or a pint of cwrw. I'd recommend a pint.
Yeah, I'm going to go for a pint.
Yeah, I might come with you.
Have we got a nice IPA?
We'll find one for you.
Yeah.
Because you're special, and we're very grateful that you came down and helped us out.
Thank you very much.
Diolch yn fawr.
Cheers, boy.
Cheers.